Before we do the discharge test of this 4S pack, which by the way is taking 10.3 amps at 16 volts still, I'd like to introduce you to the tool that we're going to use to do the test. Now, this is my very ugly, definitely made of cardboard and vinyl and hot glue 7S battery. It's a 4P 7S. It has a built-in 4-port quick charge USB ports. It's got a voltage display, and it also has a built-in charger. This is a boost converter, constant current boost converter, and I have the voltage set to 28.8 max voltage, and it's hot glued. So all we have control for is the current. Okay, so this one works backwards for most boards. Usually the clockwise goes up. The way I remember this one, it's like water. So like close it to turn the pipe. Okay, so I always have it closed, and I can hook it up. It's got its own connection here. I can hook it up to anything. A 9-volt battery, a couple AA's in series, 24 volt, pretty much anything that's under the charge voltage here, 28.8 volts, because it's a boost converter. Okay, so what we're going to do is disconnect this from the charger. There we go. And now we're going to, remember, the current is set to nothing. Let's make sure it's set to nothing. I notice these click. There you go. It's definitely set to nothing. So let's see what we're getting here. What I like about this, look, you can short those out, no problem. Okay, so red to red. That's our positive. Now, I've got no BMS on this pack. You know, I'm being careful, etc. Okay, and here is, there we go. Okay, so it shows the voltage of that pack. That fan's a little rattly. It's a 12-volt fan. I've run it at 24 volts, just a little too long there. So it still works, but... Okay, so we have 15.4 volts here on the weldless pack, and it's drawing 0.13 amps because this is closed. So let's open this electron valve by going counterclockwise, and we can give it some charge current. There we go. So right now we're pulling 30 watts from this, and as you'd expect, there's no issue with that. Let's see how high we can go though. No voltage drop at 5 amps, that's pretty good. Okay, and now we're at 15 volts and 8 amps. Okay, and let's see. Alright, now we're up to 10 amps. We're sapping 150 watts from this guy here through a boost converter into this guy here, bringing up its system voltage. Let's see how much higher we can go. Okay, well, looks like I'm doing 16 amps with very little voltage drop at those currents, considering this is only a 3P pack, and it is working fine. Let's see if it continues to work that fine.